Here it is. We are here. We are driving with the baby. That's Amber.
Hi guys.
There you go. That's Amber.
Hi.
We're driving her because her husband is up in Mammoth already. Which trail was he doing?
He is on the John Muir Trail where he finished it. He did the first part of it from Yosemite to Mammoth.
Gotcha. So he was backpacking through hiking.
He made it.
Yeah, he's alive. And that is what we will be saying at the end of this car ride, because we've been talking about this car ride for so many weeks. It's just a long drive with the baby. We've never driven this far. He's almost 9 months now, and you know, he falls asleep quickly in the car, but he does not stay asleep long. You know, naps are everything. And so yeah, he got a 30-minute nap, which is a fake nap already. And now how much, let me look. We have 3 hours and 50 minutes left of drive time. Yeah, fast, but we'll be taking lots of breaks. Thankfully it's a beautiful drive and there are pretty places to stop. And we have our mountain breakfast cookies, so.
Clap, clap,
and
clap.
we have Amber entertaining the baby.
We're clapping.
We're
excited.
I can see my shot is here, so now I'm gonna take it. Gotta get up, get out, time to stand up, get loud, time to rise up off the floor. And I'm stronger than ever now, can't hold me down no more. I'm waking up.
The little squish.
I made them last night.
It looks delicious.
I'm waking up. I'm waking up. So I'ma do it right now.
I don't know why that was so fun. Right here.
Cosmo. Hi. Oh, boo, boo, boo.
So we just got to the campsite and everyone is here. We have lots of friends and family, and I think we're gonna go out tonight because we did not know how long that drive was gonna take us. It only took us about 7.5 hours, which I think is pretty good. And we're gonna go get dinner in town.
Yeah, I'ma do it right now. I ain't giving up and I ain't ever slowing down. I'ma do it right now.
Okay, we are getting bedtime ready. I'll be honest, I'm a little nervous to get the baby down. We'll see how it goes. Everyone tells me camping with the baby is a little tricky, but we're gonna see how it goes. We're gonna do our best. Luckily, this tent we have is super warm. This is a Tepu'i tent, not sponsored, but I would not say no. It's canvas and really cozy, and the whole footprint of the tent is like a foam mattress, memory foam mattress, and it's super comfortable. So fingers crossed, wish me luck.
You react, trip on traps, you're unguarded. Skim the facts, try to forget where you started. You don't have to hide what you feel inside. There's a reason, there's a reason. Lay back and lie, enjoy your life. No confusion, no confusion. People, don't you know, don't you know, don't you know you gotta move like me, move like me. People, don't you know, don't you know, don't you know you gotta move like me, move like me. It's not free to keep covering what is lacking. Set your feet.
Okay, Kesley, join me. Wait, get on that side.
If we fall, look at that jagged rock.
Why would
My
we
bum. Hello.
What?
Look,
You have so
it's
much
all
room. Get it. Just do it.
Well, move your hand.
This is my friend Kesley, and we went to high school together, and I let her cheat off my French. Did I let you cheat, or you?
Oui, oui, monsieur.
In French class.
Wait, madame.
Okay. And Kesley no longer lives in California. She lives in Boise. And how do you love it?
I love it. But don't come, it's an awful place.
Yeah, ew.
Ugh.
Blah.
Now what's cracking? You don't have to hide confusion.
I prepped this lentil taco meat from my ebook, from the taco salad recipe, and I just prepped it a few days ahead of time, put it in the cooler, and voila, just heat it up, and there is an easy camping dinner. Hi! Hi! Scout! Scout! Oh gosh, oh dear! You megged me! It's very manly, Rory.
Do that one.
Don't forget to get the dinosaur in it. Very important.
I thought it was a real dinosaur when I saw it. I was like, ah!
My
All it needs is some cashew sour cream.
I know.
Pull it down.
These flour?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
Go for it. It's good. I had some too. I liked it too.
People, don't you know, don't you know, don't you know you gotta move like me, move like me. People, don't you know, don't you know, don't you know you gotta move like me. Don't you know you gotta move, people? Don't you know you gotta move, people? Don't you know you gotta move, people?
Alright, we are doing Hannah's bedtime skincare routine. Well, first we flossed. We brushed teeth.
We put our hair back.
You guys have your paper towel washcloths between your legs to keep them sanitary. You don't want to get like dirt on them.
No.
It's important to cleanse when you're camping.
Yeah.
We're gonna use the Youth to the People cleanser. All right, now you just want to like really get in those pores. Get in it, guys.
Wait, what company is this?
Youth to the People.
Smells so nice.
Step 4, blow your nose after you wash your face. You just, you always you got some extra. Yeah, blow it, get it out. Clean that nasal passage.
Oh my gosh.
We're now using Versed. This is the retinol. Give yourself a pump.
Just one?
Yeah, Kesley, you used my last. You used my last retinol. I won't be anti-aging on this trip. Nothing. Use the last of it. Okay, here we go. Last step is another Versed.
Doesn't she have the
product.
tiniest belly button you have ever seen in your life?
In my life, right?
It's so
Smallest
tiny.
belly button ever. How do you feel after Hannah's bedtime routine? Even
This
while
is what I
camping,
needed.
every night.
Yeah, feels nice.
I'm dedicated, guys.
Oh wow.
He looks sad. He looks all alone.
Yeah, it's like, oh, they brought that guy on this trip, huh?
How's it going in there, Eric?
So hard.
He's just so wiggly.
Look
Look at his hands.
Going up the mountain. Mel and I peeled off from the others who stopped at a lake, and we both have double sports bras on. I'm a breastfeeding mom, she's a 20 weeks into her pregnancy mom, and we need the support. And we're trying to make it up to Valentine, which is one of our favorite lakes up here, and kicking my booty.
Yeah.
I'll be honest, because I have not been in running shape.
We got 2 more miles.
Oh, Mal, are you kidding me? The wildflowers walking up. Here we go. Holy moly. Where are you at, Lake Valentine? I honestly didn't think we were gonna make it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Campsite. We're about halfway through the trip and I'm going to make some curry tonight with the help of my friend Katie, who just joined us, and we're just making a red curry with some coconut milk. It's pretty simple. It does require some chopping. I like to keep camping meals simple. I like to prep ahead of time. I also like to go out to eat for dinner lately since I had a baby. Let's get started. I specifically planned a meal for when Katie is in town at our campsite that requires chopping. You're a good chopper.
I'm an excellent chopper.
Good job.
Oh, I have the cap on. Bag of leaks lost.
Ready? Woo! 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 That actually is wonderful. That's such a tight lens.
This is the most beautiful sandwich I have ever seen.
Thanks, Aaron.
Life is good.
Oh my gosh. Hold on. Look at his arm just like resting there. He loves it. He's like, I got my daddy, I got my trees, I got my mountains, I'm good. Where is he? Oh, there.
That's Cody.
Is that Cody?
Yeah.